Hi everyone, this is Esther here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I thought to share with you which programming language new developers should first learn, JavaScript or Python. There's so many programming languages out there, not just limited to JavaScript and Python, but I chose these two because these are like the two most common programming languages that you'll be presented to when you're starting your development journey. And there's that uncertainty about what if I start with this and it's the wrong programming language for me. I thought to share my experience from my years as a web developer and software engineer, and I hope you can learn a thing or two from this. Before settling on a programming language, there are two things you want to consider. Your interests. What do you think you enjoy building? Do you think you enjoy building web applications or websites, or do you think you enjoy maybe creating data analysis and machine learning models and things like that? So if you enjoy building websites and web applications, then I would say go for JavaScript. If you enjoy more of data analysis, then go for Python. The second thing you want to consider is the availability of resources. So JavaScript and Python have so many resources available that you can learn, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's in terms of documentation, or even in terms of the community. But I would say JavaScript has a slightly larger edge because it's the world's most popular programming language. That being said, both JavaScript and Python are beginner friendly, and let's dive into these languages and explore what they are all about. Let's start with JavaScript. Like I mentioned earlier, JavaScript is the most popular programming language in the world. It powers everything on the web, and you'll be using it to build simple websites to complex single-page applications. JavaScript also has the advantage of not requiring you to get started using any software. That means you can code directly inside your web browser. This super low friction that JavaScript has, such as write the code and see the output almost instantly, gives beginners an idea of what they're doing when they're writing JavaScript code. JavaScript also supports different libraries and frameworks such as React, Vue.js, Angular, and even frameworks like Next.js, Nuxt.js. All of this run on JavaScript, and this makes it a very popular choice if you're looking for a programming language that is going to be very lucrative for you. And lastly, with JavaScript, you're not limited to just front-end side of things. You can also use Node.js to create APIs and back-end services. Let's go over to explore Python. So Python for me is a very beginner-friendly language, and unlike JavaScript, the syntax is actually very readable, and a lot of beginners find it very easy to grab the syntax and immediately understand how the language works. Python also has a very vibrant data science community, and it's one of the top choices for things like machine learning and AI, which is buzzing right now in the world, and even analyzing large data sets. So if your interest lies in this area, then Python is a good option for you. Python is also useful in building backend services using frameworks like Django and Flask. Here are some examples of things you can build with JavaScript: interactive web pages, mobile applications, games. And here are some of the things you can build with Python: machine learning models, data science projects, automation scripts, and the likes. Overall, if you like to get into building websites and web applications, I will instantly recommend JavaScript to you. But if you like to get into things like AI, machine learning, data science, I will instantly recommend Python to you. Right now, both JavaScript and Python are very lucrative and will serve you in the market on the longer run. No matter the programming language you choose to learn, the most important thing is to actually start learning and start building projects and applications. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. Till next time, bye.